Massive and crew, I go and crowd of people. Yeah man, so in this video I'm sharing with you how I cook coconut rice, my version. So on the stove on medium heat is a thick pot ideal to cook rice. In the pot is 1 cup of water. I also added 1/8 teaspoon of salt as well as 1 stalk scallion, piece of fresh thyme and 1 hot pepper. Cover the pot and allow the fresh herbs to boil for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I added 1 cup of coconut milk. Then I cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to come to a full boil. Then I wash the rice until the water runs clear. And then I added the washed rice. Make sure that the water is about 1 inch over the rice, right? Give it a good stir and then I cover the pot and allow the rice to cook on medium low heat. So there you go, the rice is cooked and I remove the scallion, the thyme and the hot pepper and fluff the rice a bit using a fork. So this is my quite easy, simple coconut rice, and as usual I love coconut rice with curry meat, anything curry. So I am having it with curry chicken and a tall glass of water because right now I am boosting my immune system, so I'm not taking in much sugar, just enough sugar to give me energy, but just a little bit of sugar. It's vitamin C for me all the way, you know, because the big C is in Jamaica, so we are on lockdown, trust me. So yeah, so that's basically it. Like my video, remember to subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. Also like my videos and you can share my videos as well. Thanks for watching. Until next time, walk good.